my channel. So for this video, I'll be doing another transforming my old clothes video. So if you watched the first time na ginawa ko yun, it already reached 1,000 views and that was super unexpected and but it reached 1,000 views and I am super grateful for that. So thank you so much to those who watched that video. And I'm back with another transforming my old clothes. Makikita niyo naman ako mga basura sa next part of this video kasi wala na akong makeup nun while I'm working on these pieces of clothes for the rest of the week. I have here the pastel clothes that I'm going to transform since ang title nga ng video na to is transforming my old pastel clothes. So I have more pastel clothes that I need to DIY again. Pero for this video, I'm just gonna do 3 clothings kasi baka next year nyo na mapanood yung video na to if gagawin ko sila lahat. So I'll probably just gonna do another video for that. And also, ang dami ko pang gagawing transforming old clothes, like old denim clothes. So stay tuned for that. Nga rin ako ganun kagaling and I don't have sewing machine. So I'm gonna do this everything by hand. Anyway, makikita niyo naman yung process mamaya. This will actually take me like probably a week to do. So, ayun. Anyway, I'm gonna show you guys now yung mga gagawin ko. So, I have here this long skirt. Ayan. This is really cute. Very, very cute. I love the color. But it's just too long for my liking. And, well, I like long skirts. Pero this kasi, hindi siya flattering for me. Mga nunod ng first video ko. Hindi ko lang siya ika-crop, okay? Something better than that. I'm gonna do a 2-piece set for this one. So, tube top and skirt. At medyo, mukha siyang madali kasi parang gugupitin mo siya. Pero yung besis kasi kailangan pa siyang isize. So, the next one is this dress. Ayan. Sobrang laki nito kasi size, ayan no, size large. Large yan. So, sobrang laki niya talaga. Mahaba siya at malaki. As in, ayan no. Malaki siya. So, what I'm gonna do here is another 2-piece set, pero I'm gonna try to make it yung parang cardigan, yung parang mga Korean styles. Yun ang gagawin ko. Yun ang binabala kong gawin sa pink dress na yun. And lastly, is this sweater. Ayan. This sweater. What I'm gonna do here is a tie top. Tie crop top. Basta yun. Ayan. So, I'm gonna try to do that with this kasi malaki to. Anyway, I'm gonna fit it right now. I'm gonna show them to you guys kung ano itsura niya ng before bago siya mag-transform sa hopefully mas better na piece. Baka mas masira ka pa yung itsura nito. So yan, this is how it looks like kapag full body. Wait, nakantak natin. It looks like this. At makikita niyo ang luwag na shorts ko. But anyway, ayan. It's really nice. Like, I like the fit of it. Pero sobrang init. Like, ngayon nga lang sinusukat ko siya. Napapawisan na ako. What more? Kung susuot ko siya sa labas. Like, guys, tingnan niyo yung init na yan. Nakikita niyo ba? Sobrang ang init. So, paano ko yun susuot sa labas? And then, ito naman yung pink dress. Look. Just, look at that. Parang akong pink ghost. Ayan, as you can see, ayan, oversized siya. I like na meron siyang oversized na fit. Pero ayan, it just says here La Senza. And ito rin, ano siya, may pagka v-neck. So I like, yan yung detail na yan. Medyo subtle lang yung pagiging hindi niya conservative. So ayan, let's see. Ganito siya kahaba sa akin. Ayan, right above my knees. So ayan, I actually like this one. It's just oversized. It's comfy. Pero hindi nga siya flattering. So, ayan, I'm just gonna try to turn this clothing into something else. So, ayan. Hopefully, maging matino siya. Baka may mas pumangit na yung itsura nito pagka ginawa ko. Pero, ayan. Yay! And then, for the skirt, ayan, ganito yung itsura niya sa akin. This is actually high-waisted, guys. So, nandito na siya like right above my belly button and ganyan na siya kahaba. It's actually, pero kasi hindi siya talaga, like, hindi siya flattering on me. So, like, hindi ko rin siya masyadong masusuot. So, ayan, I'm just gonna turn this into something cuter. So, ayan, rip to this skirt na hindi na siya skirt mamaya sa video na to. Now, I'm just gonna work on it. So, the next few clips na makikita nyo is me working on this items for the whole week. So, ayan, I hope you guys would enjoy. So, I'm gonna continue this right now. sa ginagawa ko. Nakat ko na yung for the main piece of clothing. And then also yung para sa tali niya, yung ganito nung top. So, ang sorry, hingal ako. Ginawa ko is, ayan, nakakuha na ako ng 4. Ang plan ko kasi is, ikakat ko siya dito. Dito manggagaling yung para dun sa tie. Pero sabi ko, dun na lang sa may sleeves. And then, na-realize ko na if I do that, magiging siyang crop top. So, ayan, meron pa akong instant crop top. Sobrang cute pa. So, yun, kinuha ko siya sa sleeves. And actually, yung isang sleeve lang yung nagamit ko. Ito yung sleeve ng isa. So anyway, I'm just gonna stitch yung ito dito sa loob. So hopefully, magiging kasing cute siya neto. What I did was, from this, kinot ko siya sa gitna para maging mas malapad siya. And then, from there, mineasure ko ng 1 inch. So, 1 inch from here. Hey guys, update! So, na-pin ko na sila dito and mineasure ko siya. So, from here, 2 inches kasi mineasure ko yung dito ko. Nakabaliktad pala to kasi para mas madali ko siyang ma-measure.
The next day.
Hey guys! This is day 2 of my transforming my old clothes. And yes, I'm still wearing the same top from yesterday kasi di pa ako naliligo. Mag-workout pa ako mamaya, so ayun. Yan, explain ko lang. The first top that I showed you, yung ginagawa ko kanina, natapos ko na siya and hindi ko muna siya sa inyo papakita. And also, sorry if my hair is like this kasi nakatapat yung fan sa akin, sobrang init. And ayoko naman buksan yung aircon. So yun, I'm gonna work on this and yeah. And nasukat ko na siya ulit. And na-realize ko, ang sarap niya palang pangtulog. It's really comfy kasi ayun na, may oversized yung fit niya. So yun ang gagawin ko for this top. Windy effect pa tayo dito, sis. I successfully cut it. It actually looks cute. Ang cute, parang ako nagkaroon ng oversized na sweater. Ayun o, ang cute niya. Next step is, ito yung tira na tela kanina nung dress. Ang gagawin ko ay, wait lang, figure. Na-shape ko na siya. Aray! Na-shape ko na siya into skirt. Ayan. Hey guys, so this is day 3 of my project. And kakatapos ko lang mag-film ng 25 facts about me. So, before na ma-release yung video na to, and napanood nyo na yan for sure. So anyway, I'm done with the first top. Tapos na rin ako dun sa pangalawa. So now I'm working with the last one. And with this one, my plan is to do a tube top and again, a skirt set. I-visualize ko muna ng mabuti kasi at pag-iisipan ko mabuti kasi baka may magkamali ako and sayang naman if mess up ko siya. So, ito na itsura na ngayon. This is for the tube top, for the skirt here. And ginawa ko is, of course, tinanggal ko muna yung garter. Kapag kinot ko siya sa gitna, doon ko siya i-combine, magiging masyadong maiksi yung sa likodan kasi hindi siya pantay. Like yung design niya, nakita niyo ba yan? Parang pag ganun siya. So, ang gagawin ko is, ikakat ko yung both sides and then magbabawas ako ng tela sa gilid. Ganito yung itsura ng workstation ko ngayon. Ayun o, mga daming tela-tela. Anyway, update na ayos ko na to. So, ready na yan para tahiin. Pero medyo nahihirapan ako sa skirt. Pero separate ko na siya and then babawasan ko lang yung tela. Sobrang akong struggle dito. So, ayun. Yun lang.
4 to 6 more days later.
Hey guys! So, this is day... I'm not sure what day is it because ang tagal kong nag-stop gawin yung project na to. It has been over a week since I started doing this project. So, ouch! Update lang dun sa blue. Ito yung picture ng skirt. And I feel like it's too small on me. Kailangan ko pa ba mag-diet para masuot ko to? Ow, ow, ow. Okay, kaya mo pa ba? Kaya pa natin, sis.
3 days later.
Hey guys, so today is June 15 and progress report lang. I've been working on this project for 2 weeks already and it's not going well and it's not turning how I wanted it to be. And the few clips before this, you guys saw that I've been working on the blue clothing. I've been working on the blue one since last week. If you guys don't know me, gusto ko yung mga ginagawa ko. It personally makes me happy and makes me proud. And yung blue piece of clothing na yun just doesn't pass my standards. So I am making this clip to insert to this video because I just wanted to say that I decided to not continue with it anymore because I just thought that it's gonna be such a waste of time if ko-continue ko pa yun. Eh, hindi naman ako happy with it. And hindi ko rin siya magagamit if kinontinue ko pa. So basically, I'm just wasting my time and effort just for a video. Ayoko na gawin ko lang to for the video. Ayoko ganun. Gusto kong maging transparent ako. So that's why I am making this confession. So yes guys, but it's okay though because I'm really happy with the other clothings that I'm really excited to show you guys because I'm really proud of how it turned out. So I'm more happy to share those items with you guys instead of this blue one. I'm also really sad because it's like I'm wasting clothing, but I promise I'm not gonna put this to waste. So yeah guys, thank you so much for understanding and I hope I don't get attacked for this or something. I don't receive negative energy towards this, so I hope you guys will understand. So yeah, now I'm really excited to share with you guys the other items. Proud with what I did, like compared to the first video na ginawa ko to, sobrang mas pinag-effortan ko talaga to, especially the time that I gave for this. So yeah, I'm really happy with how this turned out. I hope you guys liked it, and as what I'm saying, please take the time to sign the petitions. As always, the link will be in the description box, so please take the time to sign petitions and speak up. So what I've been telling you for the past videos that I made. Yeah, that is it for this video guys. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and turn on your post notifications to get notified whenever I upload a new video. Of course, don't forget to follow me on my social media accounts. So yeah guys, that is it. I will see you on my next video. Bye! Thank you.